Nativity Higher Secondary School Mawkyrwat hakashipau tarik Nohprah kala pynhap pyrda ya jingrakhe snem Golden Jubilee madan skul kaba Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Conrad K Sangma ulalong kongsan ryngkat beruba Renikton Lyngdoh Tongkhar MLA Bah Carnes Sohshang MDC B.Mawlong Deputy Commissioner kiwei ki ophisar sorkar. Nalor kibala khot ngobha lapan rehem ru de kinong hikai ki khna skul barim ki kimi ki kapa jong ki khna skul. Habakran kumu kongsan, Myntri Rangbah ulapan bena ban Pynnoh Syniang ya Nativity Higher Secondary School Mawkyrwat arpusan Lak Tyngka. Ula ongru, kapule puthi ka jingnang jing start ki dei ki rishot badan kamtam haka imlang salang ban kentiu ya dong kathan kari barok away. Nganget scam, kane ka jingdap san snem kan long umau jam sak kan mau. Nang nisha khmat ki khna kinong hikai kidan kam ban bu eka thong bakane ka skul kan nang kiu irat shaprang hagi jingpule ka akor ka buram ulapan kun. Lapan shit penshnganya kane ka sngirakhe ki cultural program babunjat na ki khna skul jong kane ka skul.
Conclude my speech. I would also like to share that the Nativity Higher Secondary School has just completed 50 years, and therefore it is kind of a small token, you may say, that I would like to leave as a memory from our side, from my CM Secretariat side, for the building which they are making for the extension of the classrooms. So I would like to announce 25 lakhs as a contribution from my side on this very wonderful day from my Chief Minister's Special Development Fund for the extension of the school building. I know it may not be enough, but Father, we will wait for another program when you invite me to give more funds later on. So if I give all the funds in one go, then you will not remember me next time to call me. So I will keep some pending for next time. But I also would like to correct our Father Principal. I have been here to the school multiple times. So I just wanted to share with you, I think not less than 3 or 4 times. May not be in large programs, but I have come, visited, shared a cup of tea, coffee with our previous principals and students. So I'm quite well versed with the school. If you leave me also in the middle, I'll find my way. So I know the map of the school quite well in the classrooms. So I visited here, and I think the college also I'm pretty sure I visited. Principal had mentioned that was my first visit, but I'm pretty sure that that I have come to the college also before. But nonetheless, thank you so much, Father, for remembering me and inviting me to be part of such a memorable program. And more importantly, really being patient. I know it's really bad and wrong on my part to be late by 1.5 hours. I believe that being punctual is one of the most important things in life. It's a discipline that I was taught by the Christian brothers when I was studying in Columbus and Edmonds. So it's something that has been engraved in me. And I always respect time, I respect people's time, and therefore I really am very, very upset with myself for not coming here on time. And once again apologize to you and apologize to all our students and our audience out here for wasting your time, for having made you wait here for so long.
Snem chajar khandai spanyo phun riu kadon kaying school hangne daga skum. Bat kumtang ila khot ya ka parents de hau bunai November khat sau tarik lai ngot ki khnaret bat kine ki lai ngot khnaret u wei ubarus pa ar ngot ki dei ki badok bat habakila poi hakata ka state kum kane kam dei kum kane ka state khandeu bat kumtang imdon soundbox Nimdon AA Henry ka soundbox jonki ka day ka shintur. Bat clear why kini ki khnaret bat kata ka jingruwai nga kan maudu na marba mga bat ka kiming ela hikaya kata ka jingruwai bat ya kata ka jingathu khana banruwai apdeng ki kimi ki pa. Kane ka jingruwai kong Jesus my everything. Kini ki kena kila ruai. Menchua kilong kemi kilong pajongi parents ne kilong tangkat ne kat ne hang ne. Bat habaki ruai kini ki kena kalapan ketik ya kada onut jongki donru ki kimi ki kepaki bajau umat jor-jor namar ki i kata jingruai jongki kena balai ngapen kan mau ikane ngayo i kitu kena hang ne manta u au dei ka jing sedang jong ka jing jok bat kumta kala urlong manta kasni habangi penkut bat penhiar ya kane kalama naga banta ka jing khang no lane ka jing pynhap pyrda ya ka jing dap san posnem jong kane ka school ngarur haune usnem hi ngaladap san posnem naka banta ka jing shongkha jonga bat ngilare khe hau ar pusan tari jong bunai January tena mar kata utai runga te da utai jong ka golden jubilee